Hi there, welcome to Pagelayer. I am your Pagelayer buddy, and in this video I will show you the first step of building a page for your website with Pagelayer. We will begin by adding a new page in your WordPress dashboard. Under Pages, add New. At here, on the right side is the editing screen of your site, where you add and edit elements that form the layout of the page. On the left side is the Pagelayer panel. Here is our creative tools called widgets like headings, paragraphs, quotes, lists, etc. When you start building your page, design it from scratch by clicking on Add New Row button to add a section, or use a predefined sections. Let's try to add a predefined sections. Hit the Add New Section button to add a new section. Let's add one together. First, click the type of section you are looking for from the list of sections, or you can even filter by clicking on this buttons of what section you are exactly looking for. Let's take a closer look at the anatomy of the page. Each page in Pagelayer is made up of sections. This entire area is a section. Notice the blue border around each section on hover. Inside sections are columns. Identify them by this blue solid lines or column icon handle. Inside the column are widgets. Here is a text widget, inside a column, inside a section. Use the handle to edit any elements and move them around. To edit your section, click the edit handle in the right. This opens the panel which has two options, name, settings and options. Move the section up and down using the edit handle by dragging and dropping. Here to make a clone copy of your section, use the clone handle in the left, or you can right-click to the edit handle. To edit, duplicate, copy, paste and delete your section. You can do the same with column. Simply right-click. If you want to add another column, simply drag and drop column from the widget area to the right or left. Do the same for widgets. Duplicate, delete, copy and paste. Easy. The whole layout is super flexible. You can easily drag any elements around. Change the column width by grabbing the edges and moving it left or right, like this. To save your work, click the Update option. As per your convenience, you can drag and drop the Pagelayer widget panel to left or right, or you can even minimize it either by clicking on this arrow button, or by clicking to this Minimize button to preview your changes. Also, to preview your website, click the eye icon below. And you are good to go. For shutting this Pagelayer widget panel, click on Close button. That's it for now. In the next video, we will get familiar with some website basics. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to pagelayer.com/docs.